Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from storyplanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book, The Hidden Life of Trees, a creation by Peter Wohlleben. Trees are involved in intricate cycles and constantly battle for resources to survive. This struggle has unveiled remarkable abilities. Trees communicate, support each other, interact with fungi and other organisms, possess memories, and have their own form of internet. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Peter Wohlleben, a former forester with over 20 years of experience, left his job to establish his own forest project in Germany's Eifel region. He promotes alternative forestry methods and the preservation of primeval forests. He is an author of several books on forests and environmental conservation, including one titled The Forest Are an Obituary. With 9 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book on storyplanet.net. To start, explore an unseen realm to find personal benefits. The book delves into the fascinating world of trees, exploring their intricate communication networks, collaborations with fungi, personalities, and survival strategies honed over millions of years. Peter Wohlleben, with his deep knowledge and passion for trees, shares insights gained from his lifelong interaction with forests, shedding new light on these green giants. The text encourages readers to discover the hidden lives and remarkable abilities of trees, challenging preconceived notions about their seemingly static existence. Key idea number 1. Trees are essential for regulating global water and carbon dioxide cycles. Trees play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems by cleaning the air, ensuring water availability, and regulating the climate. They act as water pumps, transporting moisture inland and absorb CO2, helping to mitigate global warming. Trees are essential for human survival, as they are vital components of the global water cycle and climate regulation. Key idea number 2. Trees have complex interactions with the soil in forests. Trees play a crucial role in the global climate as they are fundamental for soil formation and food growth. The majority of the Earth's soil is a result of trees, dating back to the formation of the planet. Trees interact with the soil through roots, which absorb water for photosynthesis and facilitate nutrient exchange between trees. Trees also provide nutrients to the soil by shedding leaves in the fall. Key idea number 3. Child mortality among young trees is high. Trees are essential for water, air, and soil. They have different reproductive strategies and preferences for growth conditions. Tree seeds face many challenges, like unsuitable environments, animals, and natural disasters. Despite risks, trees demonstrate remarkable abilities once they establish themselves. Key idea number 4. Trees in nursery school are taught to communicate, demonstrating their ability to learn and displaying distinct personalities. Trees develop personalities and learn about their environment over time. Their behavior can differ, some being more cautious than others. Trees make decisions based on their experiences, learning from past mistakes. They are capable of observing temperature and daylight changes and storing information to adapt. Trees support each other as well. Key idea number 5. Trees communicate through various methods with other trees and animals. Trees communicate with each other using scents and fungi networks to share information and protect themselves from threats like caterpillar infestations. By releasing pheromones, trees attract helpful insects, like wasps, to combat pests. They can also detect threats by sensing the saliva of creatures eating their leaves, transmitting information through electric signals along fungal networks that connect trees together underground. Research is ongoing to understand these complex communication systems further. Key idea number 6. Trees support each other, exhibiting a form of cooperation and interconnectedness in the natural world. Trees communicate and help each other within their ecosystems by warning of dangers, providing nutrients to sick or weak trees, and collaborating for mutual survival. They use scent and the fungi internet to alert conspecifics of threats like giraffes eating acacias. Trees support each other by sharing nutrients, as seen in the example of an old living stump nourished by neighboring trees for over 400 years. This system of cooperation demonstrates that trees thrive and survive better together in a forest environment. Key idea number 7. Trees deliberately collaborate with fungi to exchange nutrients. Trees and fungi collaborate through mycelium to exchange water, nutrients, and sugar. This partnership allows trees to absorb more water and store essential elements like nitrogen and phosphorus. However, in extreme conditions, fungi can resort to producing toxins to protect their tree partners. Key idea number 8. Trees protect themselves from injury to avoid harm, indicating they have a self-defense mechanism. Trees can communicate and warn each other of dangers like animals and bad weather. Animals such as deer, woodpeckers, beetles, and aphids can cause various injuries to trees. Weather events like storms, snow, and frost can also harm trees. Trees have developed strategies to cope with these dangers, such as spruce trees bending under snow weight. Injuries can lead to fungal infections, which may eventually cause trees to die. Key idea number 9. Trees should be respected and treated with care, similar to how animals are treated. Traditional forestry practices focus on harvesting wood, but are based on misconceptions like younger trees being more productive. Trees actually grow slower when young and are cut down when they are relatively young before reaching full maturity. This leads to unhealthy forests prone to pests and low productivity. Mimicking natural forest ecosystems in forestry can lead to higher wood quality and quantity. Natural forests operate in cooperation, with trees forming partnerships with fungi and supporting each other's growth. It is suggested to cut trees later and in a careful manner, understanding their role in the ecosystem and allowing trees to complete their life cycle before harvesting. In conclusion, the book conveys that trees are often underestimated organisms with remarkable capabilities such as communication and cooperation. They deserve respect and care akin to animals. Further reading on plant-human relationships is suggested in The Botany of Desire by Michael Pollan, exploring how plants fulfill human desires and symbiotic relationships. Feedback on the content is welcomed at rememberstoryplanet.net. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.